All right, here we go for vocab lesson 11. Here we have our words abbreviate, appropriate, or appropriate. So in the suitable for the right purpose, it is appropriate. You've heard me use that word a lot. As a verb, to appropriate is to set it aside for a particular purpose. So you appropriate money to different things. So exclude, fanciful, futile or futile, grudge, inspire or inspiration, majority, persevere, possess or possession, prejudice, resolute, sneer, unanimous, or unanimity, unruly, and there we go. So these, as a reminder, there's only one correct matching. So if you're trying to match two different things, it's not going to work out well. So I know that the first one is going to start with a capital letter. So to appropriate money is to set it aside for a purpose. Yes. And I need to write my entire sentence here. So I'll double click and write it exactly as it is. If you are not writing the same words, you will not get full credit. So you need to write the exact words in the exact order. So to appropriate money is to set it aside for a purpose. Next, as another example, so a sneer or inspiration. Inspiration, no. A sneer is a mocking or insulting remark. So a sneer is a mocking or insulting remark. There you go. There's two examples. Notice there's only one thing, because to possess money is not to be without it. So those two can't match. So there you go. That is the first two examples for 11A. Moving on to 11B. So we've done these before. Replace each phrase in bold with a single word or form the word from the word list. Greed got power over them and led to their downfall. I wonder what word means like greed. What is it? Got power over. Got power over. Let's see on this one. Greed. So I'm going to go back up and look at my definitions to get power over. Appropriate, no, exclude. To keep from being a part of. Not real, imaginary. To get power over. Majority, persevere. To get power. Oh, possessed. Aha. So here we go. Greed, possessed, Possessed, possessed them and led to their downfall. So see how it took me a while and I had to go back? That is the same process you should do. If you don't understand what the word means, go back to the definitions and figure it out. So I soon discovered that asking my parents if I could stay out later was a waste of my time. Well, I know that word is futile or futile. U-T-I-L-E. Right. So that's how we do 11B. I will erase these from what you have. 11C is something we've done before. The main reason I'm doing this, you'll see, is for 11D. So circle the letter or letters next to each. There may be more than one correct answer. Which of the following can be possessed? I can possess a pair of shoes. That doesn't mean anything supernatural. That means they are one of my possessions. I can possess a knack for things like music. Some of you have a knack, possess a knack for athleticism. I'm not that guy. And a rainbow, not so much, but you can possess courage. So those three can be possessed. Which of the following would be futile? Proving that 1 + 1 is 3. Yes, that is futile. Futile, appealing a verdict. Not necessarily. Futile, counting to 1,000,000. Let me look at the definition of futile again. And certain to fail. Futile attempts to retrieve car keys that had fallen into the lake. So I don't know what else is destined to fail. Appealing a verdict could be, you could count to 1,000,000. It's kind of a futile attempt, but you can. And boycotting a business off, well, some people will say that it's futile, but sometimes it works. Which of the following is majority? So 1/2 is equal, so it can't be a majority. 3/4, yes. 1/3, or all but one. Unless of case, that would be 1/2. But so I did 3 because that second one was kind of confusing. And now I'm going to erase my progress and move on to 11D. So this is really what I have this video for. The Greek prefix mono and the Latin prefix uni or uni both mean one. Match each definition with the correct word chosen from the list. Write each word in the space provided. So, attire, clothing in which one person looks like all the rest. That is uniform. So, same form. And please make sure that your words are spelled correctly. A train system with just one rail. Well, if you are a fan of Disney parks, you know that Disneyland has the first, in the Western Hemisphere, the first daily functioning monorail in Western Hemisphere. So that's how you do these two. If it helps you to draw a line through the ones that you've used, that works great. If not, that is fine. So if you have questions, please let me know in a private comment on this assignment or in an email. Thanks.